Two. One minute. One round.
Just one arm.
I think I should have worn these faster.
Don't bang him on the back.
I need for him.
You didn't just eat.
Hey. Hey.
It's a rough life, isn't it, Lincoln? You have a big brother that's very doting. That just loves you too much. Yeah. Does he love you too much?
Tell Mommy. Tell Mommy all about it. What is it? What is it? I think your brother's going to read you a book. I think he's going to read you a book. Would you like your
Maybe
brother to
you did need
read
to be
you a
burped.
book? Would you like your brother to read you a book? Yes. Hi, sweet boy. Maybe you did need a burp. You're spitting up. Yes, your brother knew you needed to be burped. What a good brother. I think you found all his George books. You reading George a book about George?